Hello friends, today we will talk about the web app of Getmoneyrich.com. So how to access the web app? You can see in the top menu bar there is a button called screener. So once you click this screener button, it will take you to the product page, and in the product page you can there are two buttons here, the subscribe button and the try here button. If you want to try the screener, just uh, if you want to see the look and feel of the screener before subscribing, so you can click here. It will take you to this sample uh, screener view, and you can see here various stocks are listed, and what unique thing you will get here in this screener is the stocks are rated in terms of their overall score, and also the intrinsic value is calculated. But to see these values you must log in, and to log in of course you will have to subscribe. So how to subscribe? Just click on this button. You will see three payment plans here for 3 months, 6 months and 12 months, and you can click these payment buttons to make the payment. So now we will talk about how to use the web app and what features are there in the web app. So to log in, just click on the login button, and after you have made the payment, your login will be activated, and after you have logged in, you will see three elements in the web app. Suppose you want to change the screener theme. It's by default it is a dark theme. If you want to go to a lighter theme, you can go to the lighter theme, and there you can see three main elements of this web app. First is the stock screener, second is the mutual fund screener, and third is the calculators. So all the subscribers will get all these three elements accessible. So suppose you want to use the stock screener, so you have to click this stock screener button, and after you have clicked the screener button, you will see two main sub elements here, the big screener and the screener themes. So suppose you want to use the big screener. What is big screener? Just click on this button, and what you will get here is a list of stocks, and in the left side what you see here is the screening parameters. So all these parameters, you can use these parameters on the left sidebar to filter these stocks, to screen these stocks. Suppose you want to see stocks of construction sector, so choose from the drop down menu, scroll down and click submit. So after clicking the submit button, what you will see here is all the stocks of the construction sector. Now suppose in the construction sector you want to see stocks whose market cap is below 500 crores. So click this option in the drop down menu, scroll down and click submit. So once you do that, what you will see here is a list of stocks from the construction sector whose market cap is below 500 crores. Further, if you want to see all companies of construction sector whose market cap is less than 500 crores, but they have made but they are net profit positive, so click that option here from the drop down menu, scroll down and click submit. So this way now you will get a construction sector stock whose market cap is less than 500 crore and whose PAT is either positive or more. So this way there are more than 10-15 screening parameters provided for you, so you can use all these screening parameters to screen and play with the list of stocks here. So this is, and because this is a huge list, or around 4,000 stocks are there in this list, so you can, that's why it is called the big screener. So you have a lot of options here. All the stocks are listed here. If you want, you can also search for your stocks. Let me go here. Few days back, one of my user wanted to know that how they can search for their stock. Suppose you want to search, at present it is loading because it's a huge list, so it takes, give it some time to load. It is loading almost all stocks here, 4,000 stocks. Now the stock has loaded, and suppose you want to search for a stock called tin plate. So here you can see the tin plate will appear. You will now also see the overall score, the intrinsic value, and all other parameters for this stock. So this search feature is also enabled, and because almost all stocks are listed in the big screener, so if you want to search for a stock, particular stock, it is better that you go for the big screener. Now suppose you do not have that much time to do use all these filters to filter out your stock, then what you can do, you can use our predefined themes. You're in the predefined screener themes, we have pre-built the screeners, pre-coded the screeners. So here you can see the pre-coded screeners. The themes are best stock theme, the good penny stock themes, the profitable stocks themes. So this way you will have around 9, 10, around 18 screeners are there. And these are all pre-built screeners. Suppose you want to see what are the good blue chip stocks. So we have applied our algorithm and the screening algorithm, and here you will see a list of blue chip stocks, and in this blue chip stocks we have given you the option to use some filters. Suppose you want to know the blue chip stock of the financial sector, so choose this from the drop down menu and click submit. So all these stocks, all these are blue chip stocks of the financial sector, and suppose you want to know the blue chip stock of, let's say, banking sector, so go to the industry, select banking, click submit. So now you will see all the blue chip stocks of the banking sector, and what parameters are there, these parameters. So these predefined screeners makes the use of this web app more useful for those people who do not have that much time to use the big screener. Now, so this is all about the stock screener. Suppose you want to use the mutual fund screener. So this is the main home page. Click this button. You can also access the mutual fund screener and other things from this drop down menu. All products, stock screener themes, the big screener, the mutual fund screener. So you can also come to the mutual fund screener from here. And in the mutual fund screener, it is very similar to the big screener of the stock, where you can see in the left sidebar there are parameters. There are screening parameters made available to the user. So suppose at present it is showing all mutual funds that has gained a rating of 5. Suppose you want to see a mutual fund whose rating is 4. So click it from the drop down menu, scroll down, click submit. So now you will see all mutual funds having a rating of 4. Now suppose in the return grade, all those funds which have uh, attained a return of above average, or you want to see a high return mutual funds. So click it, select the high return grade here, scroll down, click submit. So now it will filter all those mutual funds whose returns have been high. So you can see here the return type, all these are high. So all these mutual funds have attained a rating of high return. So this is, and there are other parameters as well. Suppose you want to see only mutual funds which are which has a direct plan. So click this option, click submit, and now it will show you all mutual funds which has a direct plan option. So this is about the mutual fund screener. And finally we have our calculators. At present we have only one calculator. This calculator, within this calculator we will launch multiple calculators, but at present it has only home loan prepayment calculator. Once the new calculators are launched, it will be made available to the current subscribers. This home loan prepayment calculator you can use to understand how much saving you can make. If you have taken, suppose, a home loan of 1 crore rupees and you are making a 1 lakh prepayment, so how much will be your saving? So you can use this prepayment calculator to understand your level of savings.